Gonna head to Walmart to get a couple of things, and I'm gonna show you what Walmart in Playa del Carmen looks like. One of the first stores that I recognized when I moved to Playa del Carmen almost 4 years ago was Walmart. And I love this Walmart because they serve different items I'm not used to usually seeing in the USA, like Oaxaca cheese. And they also have a huge fruit and vegetable section that I come to every once in a while when I don't have the chance to go to a fruiteria. They always have lots of avocados, potatoes, garlic, onion, anything you usually find at a local fruit store. Now, when it comes to the bakery, I would suggest picking up a tong and a plate before you go pick all your items up. And when you're done picking up your selection of different breads, sweets, croissants, muffins, whatever your heart desires, just go to the front desk and they will measure out your items and give you a price. They also sell a variety of tortillas and tostadas when you head to the regular bread aisle. I'm always able to find familiar bakery items and different authentic items like Asian grocery items when I shop at Walmart, so it's always a fun experience shopping here. Now, one thing that took me by surprise is how huge their liquor section is. I mean, it takes up a huge section of Walmart, and they're open most of the times, but I know on Sundays, sometimes they will not allow you to buy alcohol after 2 or 3 p.m. So make sure you get all your liquor items during the week and early on Sunday morning. They also carry non-alcoholic items as well, like Coca-Cola, Sprite, everything that's familiar. They do taste slightly different, but they're still very familiar and enjoyable. Head and Shoulders is very normal here to find in your hygiene aisle, and other familiar brands such as Vaseline, Lubriderm, Jergens, Nivea. You can find all these items here, and that's what I really love about shopping here. And I really enjoy trying different beauty products from Walmart. They have so many different options. If you want to dye your hair, you can do that. They have different kinds of bars of soap. But one of my favorites that I've tried since moving to Mexico has to be the Donkey's Milk by Greasy. It's really nice. Same with the Palm Olive and the Escudo. I love this brand of soap, and I usually rotate them whenever I want to try something new. They also have, the typical face scrubs, body scrubs, face cloths, and now that we are in Christmas season, they're selling so many different Christmas items, and every November they have something called Buen Fin, which is basically Black Friday, where they sell items at a discounted price to encourage people to buy different products for the holidays. On the right-hand side, there's a huge section of kids' toys, and you can even buy weight machines. This one is 2,900 pesos, which is around $170 to $175. And these motorcycles are 16,990 pesos, which is about 800 US. If you're not sure about pricing here, you can always find these scanners and check prices on items that you are not 100% sure of the price. I love their aisles. They have so many different options. They also sell bed sheets, toiletries, different items here, incense, anything you would usually find at a local Walmart in the USA, and more. For example, I bought one of these garbage bins 3 years ago, and I still have it. It's still in great quality, so you don't have to feel worried about the quality here. Everything at Walmart is pretty great priced. This fridge is like 20,000 pesos with the Buen Fin special, which equates to about $1,000 US. And you can also find lower ticketed items of the same products, which is great. Now, I always have to run away from this section because I'm always finding a new gadget in the kitchen appliance aisle, but I absolutely love the quality of all the products that they sell here, and it's usually my first place to go when I need something affordable and quick for my kitchen. I bought this mixer the other day, and I'm still using it, and I absolutely love it. So, of course, they sell everything you would normally see at your Walmart and some unique items as well. I love shopping at Walmart. It's a very chill place. It's very similar to else you would go. And now we are in the Christmas section. I was super excited to see all the Christmas items that they have up, and it just gave me such a great reminder and memories of home. So home away from home, Mexico is that home for me. I love being here, and it's just such a great time and season, and I can't wait to see all the new Christmas lights and stuff lighting up the area. So now we are checking out, and I want you guys to guess how much my items cost. I spent a total of 420 pesos, which equates to almost $20. So thank you guys for coming shopping with me, and stay tuned for more episodes coming soon.